first line the hold switch to ensure proper alignment. Once that is confirmed, you can remove the protective coating from the adhesive and place that onto the metal frame. You'll line the line-up pins, which are on the back, to ensure proper placement of the switch. As I point those out with the Phillips screwdriver, you can see that they're aligned. And this will ensure proper placement of the hold switch. And then place this back into the plastic housing, ensuring the tabs on the lever are over the hold switch, as I point out once again. And you can actuate the hold switch to ensure that it is moving. You'll then reinstall the Phillips screws, and that will complete your hold switch replacement.